Welcome to Superb YouTube channel, and today we will be making puff puff. Ingredients needed are sugar, flour, milk, it can be milk powdered or milk flavor, then yeast. That's all that is needed. Here that's a flour already sieved, then the sugar and warm water. Warm water is very important. Then we start. The first thing is our flour in a bowl, then the sugar is added, then we add our yeast. After adding our yeast, then we are going to add our milk to it. Here I'm using powdered milk. You can use milk flavor. Once you use milk flavor, you are good to go without the powdered milk. Then your water. Then you start mixing. Puff puff is not a thick dough. It is it should be mixed and it should be a little bit light, not too watery, but light so that it will be easy to fry. So we are adding the water here and we are mixing. The texture should not be running like water, but it should not be stiff like a buns. So it has to be midway. So you can see the way we are mixing it and we are beating it so that it can be smooth and lovely to fry once it is risen. So here we are mixing it to be to be well combined, and after that we are going to cover it up with a cling film. After we have mixed very well, we cover with a cling film and keep in a warm environment. Preferably we keep in a oven, or we keep in just a warm place for it to rise on time. So we give within 30 minutes or 40 minutes, depending on how warm your environment is. So we are clean filming it now, and we are going to set aside for like 40 minutes for it to rise. Here is after like 40 minutes, it has risen. Now we are frying. Depends on how you can portion it. You can portion one, and if you know how to portion it faster, it depends on you. So you deep fry. Puff puff is best when it's deep fried. You don't use a shallow, you don't use a fry pan. Use a very deep pan to fry, and you make sure you have lots of oils there so that you can deep fry. It's a very yummy pastry and very easy to make. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can comment it in the comment section. Then we are ready to answer you. Can you see how beautiful our puff puff is? Watch out for our next tutorial. Thank you.